Oh! Oh, I'm thumbing it, guys. No, I'm to the end. Well, good morning. Go ahead and throw this guy into idle. Just gonna do a little idle and let the motor warm up just a bit. The sun hasn't even risen yet, and I'm going out to see if I can get some monster trout. But yeah, so man, I am loving this boat. I still have the solo skiff. I'm not gonna get rid of the solo skiff. So yeah, let's go ahead and blast down. I'm gonna run over to Galveston West Bay. I'm gonna fish the north shoreline. Because y'all saw, or if you haven't yet, go back and watch this video on the solo skiff where I fished West Bay and found this awesome, really clear grass sand flat. And that's where I'm going back to. And the water in Galveston has been absolutely beautiful. Our winds have been out of the north-northwest for 4 days now. So it should be even clear, and I'm just excited. Got a little bit of a run, but it ain't no thing when you got a 90 on the back of an aluminum boat. Let's get it. At the spot, came out to across from Jamaica Beach over in like little Karankawa Reef area. I'm just gonna start working a little topwater, work the shoreline. I'm only in a couple feet of water, and I'm just gonna let the wind drift me back down this whole shoreline. So it's looking pretty good for nice little fish time. So we'll see if anything's biting over here. We're gonna work the shoreline kind of swift, and I'll go from real shallow to kind of a little deeper just to see where these fish are at. Let's get on them. So the wind's actually blowing a little more out of the south than I thought. I thought it was going to be like west northwest. So kind of a little different than what I wanted and what the weather said. The water's actually a lot dirtier than I thought it was going to be. I thought the water was going to be pretty clean, but I was wrong. Alright, so I just blasted across the bay. There's Jamaica. Man, it was rough out there. The wind was coming like out of the southwest when it was supposed to still be out of the north. So that kind of sucks, but I found protected waters. That's never really an issue. I can usually find, there's a nice redfish over there. Okay. I can usually find some protected waters and, you know, be able to fish it. So I'm just gonna work this little rock growing deal and work around to this backside where I saw those redfish just now, because that's awesome. Gotta love it whenever you see redfish. Yep, there's reds back in there. Cool. I'm gonna get me some redfish today, fellers. At least I'm gonna try. I'm gonna give it a shot. Oh, okay. Trout on. All right, well, I just spooked a red trying to get in here. That kind of sucks. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's one. Oh, surprised me. There we go, baby. Nice. Nice little red. There we go. First red that I caught, put in the boat. First little red on the boat. Yeah, felt pretty good. Let's measure this guy up. Let's see. Yep, just an 18-inch rat red. Perfect fun fighting size, especially on a topwater. I'm gonna let this little guy go and let him go feed another day. There it goes. Nice little takeoff with the tail kick. Meh, caught a red, saw a couple blow-ups, action kind of died out. It's getting pretty warm already, so I'm probably gonna run back into the bay, hit a couple reefs and do a little bottom jigging and see if I can pick up some trout that way. I know last time I was out there I had some pretty good success. Yeah, so let's go out to the reefs. All right, so I just got into the right depth. All right, so it goes from like 2 foot to 5 foot right here, and the wind has definitely calmed down, so that is pretty nice. So we're about 5 foot. Just gonna do some bomb casts and see if I can get anything off this ledge. I'm just gonna kind of drift this guy, work this transition zone. All right, well, I'm switching it up. I've been seeing a lot of little bait shrimp jump, so I switched up to the gulp shrimp. I like to fish with other lures, but you know, sometimes you just want to see if there's fish out here, and a gulp shrimp will definitely let you know if there's fish. Quite a few boats just kind of stacked up in here doing a little drift right now, so I'm sure there's something worth being here for, but you know, find out. Okay guys, I thought the camera was rolling, it wasn't. I hooked into something big just now. Real big. I can't stop it. Uh-oh, that's not good. Uh-oh. This is something big. It's tail kicking. I don't think it would be a shark. A stingray would be dead weight. This could be a jack. I don't really know what this is, but it's just trying to run. Oh yeah, this guy's pissed. I can feel his teeth. Oh my gosh, I see the wake over there. Oh, he's going. Oh my god, what is this? All right, let's run with it. Go, trolling motor. Oh my gosh. I just want to see what it is. Is it a shark? Oh my lord. I do not have the reel for this. I'm low on my spool. Oh, I'm done. What did I just hook into? What did I hook into? I do not know what this could be, dude. But it took off though. Alright, I'm getting some of my spool back. Alright, getting some of the spool back, getting some of the spool back. I don't know what this is, dude. But it's huge, I know that. I know it's absolutely huge. It's probably gonna break me off, and that's gonna suck. But this is sick. Oh, there it goes again. Get back over here. Come back this way, fish. Oh my gosh. What is this? I really have no idea. This is nuts. I mean, it could be a giant red. It really could be. But I feel like reds don't have that tail kick. Oh, Lord. Oh! Oh, I'm thumbing it, guys. No, I'm to the end. I'm to the end. I need the motor. I need the actual boat motor. All right, time to horse him. Let's go. Let's horse this guy. All right, I'm getting my line back again. I'm getting my line back. All right, I mean, this guy's getting a little tired. Getting a little tired. Definitely not a stingray for it to make runs like that. And I'm able to move it. It's just whenever it wants to run, it's going. All right, we're getting close. Oh, what is it? I see color. What is it? It's right there. It's gonna make another run. I feel it. It's right here in front of the boat. What is it? Is that a shark? Or is that a giant gaff top? What is that? Is it a jack? Oh yeah. It's a monster jack crevalle. All right, that's cool. I'll wear him out. I'll play the game. Here we go. I gotta net this dude. Woo, my hand is tired. God, this is a big jack. I'm surprised he hadn't cut me off, honestly. I just gotta wear him out, gotta play the game. All right, this guy's getting tired. I'm gonna get him in the boat. It's gonna probably be the biggest fish. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whew, my hands are tired. Turn him. Wear him out. Nope. Okay, he didn't like that. He did not like that. He didn't like that, not one bit. Oh man, I feel my line about to cut. As soon as I get close, he takes off again. I want to land this guy. I just want to land him for the biggest fish in the boat so far. All right, he's getting tired. He's still digging, but he's getting tired. God, he's so powerful. All right. Come on, dude. The fight continues. Oh, there he is. He's huge. He's getting tired. He's getting tired. No, doesn't like that. Oh, okay. Oh, he got a little boost. All right, let's chase him some more. Oh my gosh. Nope, okay. Okay. Guys, honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get him in the boat. He's the big fish, and I've got an inshore medium fast rod. So this is I'm surprised he hadn't cut me off, honestly. I only have 20-pound fluoro. Only 20-pound fluoro. And usually jack have those teeth that will cut through a lot of things. All right, here we go. Potential scoop. Just can't turn this guy. All right, he's getting tired. Don't go under the trolling motor. All right, guys. This is the time to scoop and score. He's tired. I'm tired. Lord. All right, he's tired for sure. All right. I thought he got me on the trolling motor. Actually, let's get that out of the way. There we go. All right. The scoop and the score. Oh God. Oh yeah. Yeah, dude, look at that monster on a 6.6 medium fast rod. Nailed it. Sick. Hell yeah, what a crazy fun catch. Whew. That wore me out. Guys, this is a freaking monster. Y'all ready? Oh. 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 This dude is a freaking stud. What's the boga saying it weighs? Oh, 20 pounds? 22 pounds? Freaking beast of a freaking fish. All right, I'm gonna put this guy back in the water. Get him revived some. Solid fish. Dude, that was huge. Oh, on 30-pound braid and 20-pound fluorocarbon, I just caught a 20-pound fish by the bogas. These are probably off some too, honestly. I have a scale, but I just wanted to get that guy back in the water. All right, I think I'm good. I think I'm good for the day. Just, you know, catch a monster. That's so sick. Oh man, talk about an absolutely fun day on the water. I'm still worn out from that jack, I'm not gonna lie. That was a hard fight. But man, just a good time out on the water in the new boat. I want you guys to come up with a name. So whatever you have for suggestions, put it in the comments below. I kind of want to name this guy instead of just calling it the new boat or aluminum boat. I want to hear what you guys think it should be called. Oh yeah, so it's 11 o'clock now. I'm done. Caught a redfish and then a big old jack crevalle. Had a blow up on the Topwater early morning, and then I had a really good blow up on this grass line. But it's just that time, I'm gonna head in. I'd like to thank you guys for watching another episode of Kagen Fishing. I'll catch you next time.